Salty Captain has sent me a free 20-piece car detailing kit, and today I am going to detail my Infiniti Q50 with Salty Captain products and let you know if it's worth it or not. Based on all the reviews I've been hearing, Salty Captain is worth it, but yet I have to find out for myself. As you can see, my Infiniti Q50 is super dirty and has blemishes, and I think she needs a good polish in order for her to look good. So I gotta get rid of all the pollen, wash her out. There's dirt in the front over here. I mean, we got dirty wheels, dirty everything. Let's give Salty Captain a try, and we'll show you the before and after on my Infiniti Q50. Yes, this video is sponsored by Salty Captain. This is a standalone sponsored video by Salty Captain. Use my link in the description below to order yourself a Salty Captain cleaning supply kit. Huge thanks for Salty Captain and sponsoring the standalone video where I'm doing a full-on review. And huge thanks for them sending me out and hitting me up with all these products. So what do you get in this video? Well, you get the standard automotive car wash. You get 2 pails right here. I think they're about 3-gallon pails. You get tire shine. You get the Salty Captain glass cleaner. You get the Salty Captain grease attack degreaser. You get the Salty Captain interior cleaner. And you get the Salty Captain drip dry post hydro coat. So this is a ceramic coating right here. Basically makes your car hydrophobic. Also comes with a tire shine applicator. Comes with a microfiber hand towel wash mitt, really good. Also comes with 2 of these. So basically, you put this in your bucket, and while you're cleaning your car or anything you're cleaning, whenever you rinse your brush, the dirt is gonna fall underneath this trap over here. That way you don't pick up any excessive dirt. Also comes with Salty Captain microfiber towels, 5-pack. And then this kit also comes with the Salty Captain, the Captain's Musket. It's pretty cool. Also comes with 2 brushes, which I'll demonstrate in a different application. This is for the very hard, pesky dirt that won't come off on more heavier, dutier vehicles. Not paint. Don't use it on your paint if you don't want to scratch it. But this is perfect for cleaning the very hard, pesky areas like maybe some wheels and things like that. Comes with quite a few spray nozzles. First things first, we are going to use the Salty Captain Grease Attack multi-purpose degreaser, which you can use on your grill on everything, but I'm going to use it on my Q50 over here. So basically, when I finished building my Q50, since it was sitting for a couple years, all the dirt got trapped on the sides, and I want to see how well this greaser works, because in my opinion, I had a very hard time getting rid of the dirt in here as it is already. So let's apply good coating here. See, in the corners I had a lot of this dirt. It removed it right off. Now, if I were to remove it 100% off, I would need to do some more work, but I don't have the time for doing that today. But as you can see, the grease remover removes the dirt off of those hard to reach areas pretty much instantly. But to remove it more, since this is like a 3-year layer of dirt, I have to work it out more. I just don't have the time. But to show you how clean it's gotten, that's just proof right there. Before you apply any soap or anything else, you want to rinse your car off. That way, if there's any big pieces of dirt, you don't accidentally scratch your car's precious paint. Also, one cool feature, they do have a QR code for you to scan for instructions on how to use the foam cannon or the musket. So I just showed you the many different ways you can set up this musket. Now, I also attached the quick connect to the front, and you could easily connect quickly between the two different nozzles. Let me show you. The back also has a quick connect, which if you have a quick connect in your hose, it's helpful. But if you don't, just take it off and just connect to the hose direct. Also got to include that not only does it come with a hand mitt, it also comes with a hand towel. That's pretty cool. I use one bucket for soap, just a little bit, and one bucket to clear as a rinser. What I do like about this feature is this gun right here. I have it still on the quick connect, so I didn't attach any nozzle, so I could easily just run water into it. What I like about it so far is that you could have this closed and take off this this dosing cup without water having to leak out, and you don't have to turn off your water from the faucet. Also, what's cool is the fact that you can turn it on without the dosing cup, so that you can just have pure water to rinse off your car. I like how easy it is to dose. Very readable. You can read how much it doses. I'm dosing about 50 milliliters of the soap. I'm going to screw it on the mullet, and I'm going to show you how to basically apply it, which is very easy. Yeah, it sure does smell very good. Depending on how hot the day is, if it's sunny or not, or if in the shade, but you may either want to work very quickly of cleaning your car, or you may want to work one section at a time when you clean your car. Check out how cool this gun is. So you got from the closed position to the water position. Yes, believe it or not, there is a water only position. And then the last one is you put, and it's soap. Yes, soap, water, and clothes. Towels also very easy. I'm wiping it right now so that I could apply the hydro coating that comes in this kit as well. Be applying the Salty Captain dry drip. Added 90 milliliters to the dosing cup, and I'm gonna add it to the Salty Captain musket, and we're gonna see how well it goes. The instructions say apply in a shaded area, but I have absolutely no shaded area anywhere near me. So here's the method I'm gonna do. You don't want to let this product dry, okay? You do not want to let it dry. So using the methods down on this gun, we're gonna use the soap method and the water method. So we're gonna work section by section on the car, and then we're gonna click on water so that it rinses it off, and then do it section by section again like that. You don't have to even apply it by hand. All you gotta do is spray it and then rinse off. This stuff is invincible. It's not really gonna be soapy, so keep in mind the stuff's still there. It's just not gonna be that soapy. You'll see how it works in action when you're done with it. All right, this is the water setting. I'm taking it off now so the product don't dry. This is how you know that the stuff actually works. So when you turn on the water setting, okay, turn on the water setting, look how the water is coming off and bouncing off the body of the car. Look at that, just comes off, doesn't stick. And as you can see, the top has like water droplets beating up because it's not sticking to the paint. It wants to come off, roll off. As you can see, look how quick the windshield, it just rolls off. That's because there's a good coat of the ceramic coating. After you're done, you could either let it dry off in the sun just like that, or you could use a microfiber towel. Towels do a very good job of buffing out any water suds and little water droplets that are left over dry. I highly recommend, and they don't scratch your paint at all. Finished cleaning my Q50 and buffing her off. As you can see, she is nice and shiny. Have to take this video very quickly because we're in pollen season in South Carolina, and when there's pollen season in South Carolina, cars become dirty very quick. But nevertheless, with the ceramic coating that I got from Salty Captain, will make this car very, and I mean very easy to clean afterwards, because that's ceramic coating should help just rinse off the car off the pollen. But she is shiny. I give Salty Captain an A+. Now let's move on to the tire shine and the interior detailer and the glass cleaner. Now we're using the Salty Captain tire shine, and this is very, and I mean very easy to use. Okay, so we're gonna spray it on. I'm gonna even spray the wheel, because I'm gonna clean the wheel with a microfiber towel, so it shouldn't be that hard. But the main thing is the rubber has to be dry, so you spray it on, then use a tire applicator to dry it up. So let's go ahead.
It's that easy, folks. Nice tire shine. Look at that tire shine. That's a really good tire shine. That's very good. I love it. That's a good tire shine, folks. Now after you apply it, you just wait for it to air dry.
As you can see, the wheels are shiny, and even the rims are shiny, not only the tires. So this tire shine by Salty Captain is safe, and it can even shine up your wheels real nice. It actually looks really good. So as you can see, tire shine is the way to go. Interior cleaner is very easy to use. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna spray the area that you're gonna wanna wash. Try not to go on the glass. I'll get to the glass cleaner in just a little bit. So spray the area that you're gonna wash. Yes, including leather. According to this, it is safe for leather as well. So spray the area you're gonna wash. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a towel and wipe. Look how clean this is becoming. Very clean. Cannot complain. This is designed specifically so that you're gonna have no spots left after you wipe everything dry. There you have it, a spotless, clean, shine clean from the interior detailer from Salty Captain. With the Salty Captain interior detailer, my Infiniti Q50 interior has never been cleaner. Huge thanks. I totally recommend using it for the inside of your car. To use the Salty Captain glass cleaner, you simply spray and then wipe off. Does not leave any streaks at all once wiped off. There you have it. Salty Captain is the way to go. Use my link in the description below to get 15% off your first purchase of Salty Captain. If that link is that code is still available, but that link will always be there for you to have a quick access to buying the Salty Captain detailing products. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2006 turn right. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.